Hello and welcome to LMA Connect. My name's Brett Wangman. I'm the Director of Technology for LMA, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to log in to LMA Connect, how to access one or multiple e-groups, and how to post and receive messages from these e-groups. So let's get started. You'll notice that we've added a new link into the main navigation at the LMA website. One's called LMA Connect. If you click on that, that'll take you to the landing page for this new application, which has been conveniently skinned to look identical to the existing LMA website. To actually log in to this new site, you can either click eGroups Home or eGroups Library, or down in the middle of the page here it'll say click here to log in. If I click there, it actually reroutes me back to the LMA website to the login screen. And if I use my login credentials that I use to get into the LMA members only area, put those in here, click login. It will then authenticate me against the membership database, and if I'm a current and active member, I'll then be rerouted to LMA Connect and dropped right in on the eGroups homepage. Now, what are eGroups? Well, eGroups are essentially email enabled discussion groups. So let me adjust my frame here a little bit. And as we scroll down, so this is the landing page. And so what we've basically done, instead of the previous listserv where there was one list and everybody was on it, we've now broken down the key topics that we discuss as legal marketers on a regular basis into the key topic areas. So business development, going green, industry announcements, marketing management. And you now have as a member, you have the option of signing up to one or all of these e-groups, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's take a little bit more of a look down. So we have legal marketing discussions here at the top when you log in, and the list that you see is specific to your permission rights. So as I scan down the page, I'll see another area for LMA Connect support and feedback. So if you're having questions or you have feedback about LMA Connect, you'd post it here. Then if you're part of a committee, you'll see that there's multiple e-groups for LMA committees. And finally, there's also e-groups for the chapter that you are part of. So let's go back to a specific e-group. Right now, none of them are bold, so that essentially means that I'm not subscribed to any of them. So if I want to look at a conversation that's actually ongoing, let me click on this particular e-group called Coffee Talk. Looks like there's a post within it. Now when I click on it for the very first time, the system will ask me how I would like to subscribe to this group. So I'm going to say set up my subscription as a daily digest and hit save, and then it'll drop me into the landing page of that e-group where I'll see the specific conversations that are ongoing. If I scroll down here, I will notice that there is one post called Law Firms, the Economy, and Survivor. If I scroll down a little bit more, I'll get to be able to see that post. Okay, and I can read the post here, and now this is a little bit different than or significantly different than the previous interface to the listserv, which is I can do a variety of different actions right here from the web interface. I can go back to the eGroup homepage. I can reply to this eGroup so that everybody who subscribed to it would get the answer, or I can simply reply directly to the sender, in this case Heather Milligan. I can post a message, forward a message, print, view, or look at the other messages that this particular author has authored. So in this particular case, I might just say reply to eGroup, and then that's going to bring up the posting interface. So if I take a quick look here, now I'm in right today as Per Casey. Thank you, Per. I am replying to Heather's message, and now I have a very easy interface that I can reply with my message. I can use the WYSIWYG editor up above to make changes, highlight things. What you'll also notice is that I'm giving a standard signature. So this is pulling from the database my name, my company, my position, and where I'm located. And then if I scan down, I can also see that the original message that I'm replying to is at the bottom. Okay. So once I'm happy with my answer, I just click send. And off the message goes. It not only gets posted here on the LMA Connect website, but it will also get sent via email to all the subscribers to this particular eGroup. So if I say return to digest, it will now show, and I scroll down, it'll now show that my message is in fact posted as well. So what's important now? Well, if I go back to and look at my email, you can basically subscribe to an eGroup and get either plain text email, or the PDA version I should say, or you can get an HTML email. So if I click on my inbox and look, you'll see this is what one of the inbox emails looks like. So this is the message that I sent, or a previous one, and you'll see in my as an HTML email, it looks beautiful, and I can see the message here, and then I have those very similar links in the email now, so that when I receive this via email, if I want to reply, I can simply hit reply to sender or reply to eGroup. Now what's important about these links is that they have special code in them, and that when I click on them, they will auto log me into the LMA Connect interface. So if you're responding via email, you can click on one of these links. It'll automatically drop you into the website, and you can post directly from there. Now if you get the PDA version, you're going to have one that looks a little bit more stripped down. It'll basically strip out all the HTML, and you'll just have the specific content. Now to reply to this, you can simply hit reply in your email client, type your message, and your message will come back into the system. Or if you travel down to the very bottom of the message, it'll give you two specific links. One is reply to sender, and the other is reply to eGroup. So we're trying to give you multiple ways to participate that are most convenient for you. Now I'm going to go back for one last minute here. So one final thing is, even though I subscribe to this eGroup, I might want to take advantage of the PDA version. So this is very important. For those of you who live and breathe with your PDA and get everything through it, we've created a special PDA version for you. So it might be a little bit difficult to see here, so I'm going to scroll over. Basically on the left-hand navigation here, you'll see something called My Subscriptions. If you click on My Subscriptions, it'll now show you all of the eGroups, and then it'll show you various different options on how you can subscribe to them: real-time, daily digest. If you do almost all of your work or live by your PDA, then click the PDA version on this screen. Okay, and then if I scroll over again, then simply hit scroll down to the bottom of this page and hit save. And now all future notifications from this eGroup will come to your PDA. They'll come in the very stripped down plain text version, and you'll have the advantage to replying directly from your PDA to have messages come back in. So that's a quick tutorial on how to post and save and sign up for an eGroup, and we look forward to seeing you online. Thanks.